Don't scream. My head is aching. Oh. Where am I?
What do you remember?
I was attacked in my own house. I didn't see him.
I was attacked at the park. I didn't see who attacked me either.
Well.
Look, Moth!
It's so cool I've gathered you here.
Oh,
Don't hurry up, Ladybug.
Ladybug?
Your mascot won't work because your Kwami is right here.
What?
Do you want to save her? Then play my game. You have 10 minutes to unlock 12 locks. In 10 minutes, your Kwami will be left without air.
No, Tiki! You! Marinette, I'm fine, but scared. I'll save you, Tiki!
You'd better hurry up. The clock is ticking. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
No! How can I open this lock?
Marinette! Are you Ladybug?
Yes, Adrian, only don't tell anyone. We don't have time. Let's save Tiki. Please, help me.
Of course. What? No!
Adrian, are you okay?
Yes. Phew. Let's look at the box.
Each lock has its color.
Lock the lock! Well, we must check all the rooms up and look for some hints. Let's look for that. Look! It's Hawkmoth. Can you see the time? It's 12:09. Is there anything else? No, nothing. Wait, it's pink! Pink, of course! Try here. Turn it, turn it. Shoot, I think I know. Look, 12 is hour, 9 are minutes. Can I? Look. 12 done. Okay. 9. Look, it's the key.
Blue
The blue key?
The blue key.
Here, come on.
Here.
I think it's here. Try it. Done. Great.
That's it.
First lock. Yes. Well done. So, let's continue looking.
Look. It's a piece of paper.
I think it's a puzzle. This room is initial, so we'll do this puzzle here. Are you really going to check the trash bin? Wait, what kind of paper is this? Look! I got it! 15, 25, 60.
We must turn it to one side. There, take this
I
paper.
didn't like math at school. Why?
Two, 3, 4, 5, 7.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
What's next?
60. That way. Cool. It's difficult. Why should I count? 5, 10.
Well. Someone is doing wrong. Yes.
Wait, don't panic. I'm nervous. I
I see.
It's done.
Here's the key. It's white, white, white. Done. I think it's all here. Let's go look somewhere else. Let's go to that room.
I think something should be here.
Right. Can you see that? It's kind of continuation. No. Okay, let's go. Let's go over there.
Yes, the paper. Here it is.
Come on.
Well, I think
Can anything be here?
I don't think so.
As you wish. I suggested it. Yes, it's from here. This key will be at the end, so we need 2 more parts. Let's go find them. Oh, a paper! We must make this using tubes. Look, the key! Wait, we must... Here, the paper's over there. Take the paper and let's open. I'm lost. Where was that room? I'm lost. Oh, I see. Okay, you can do the puzzle, I'll open.
Here it is. It's a big key.
We did it!
Mr. Brown.
Brown and yellow, come on. Yours is brown, mine is yellow.
Isn't that all?
I don't know, we'll see. Done! Yay!
Mine doesn't open.
Let me help you a bit. Well, just a second. Hurry up, Ladybug. Hurry up. You have little time.
Let's hurry up. Is there anything in the corridor? Is there anything else here?
Are you sure? Maybe... Well, okay.
Let's go.
Look! I found a picture. Here is a tree and a key. It's red, just the one we're looking for.
It might be somewhere outside.
Shoot, I also thought about it. Let's go, come on. I think I saw that tree.
Can you see anything?
Shall we go outside?
Let's go outside. Be careful. There is a bended tree, like on the picture.
Yes, hurry up!
Here's the key. Look.
Let's go open.
The last key is left and you have only 1 minute.
Hurry up. Come on, we have little time.
Tiki, talk to me, Tiki! Talk to me, Tiki!
Shoot! I can't find where to insert the key. Well, that's it. I've almost done it. Almost done!
No, Tiki!
We're too late.
Do you want to see how it ends?
Then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Make sure to leave a comment on YouTube. I'll wait for you. This was Senya Makarova and...
Alena! Love you
Love you
all.
all. Bye.
Bye.